Hello everyone, welcome all of you. Those who are preparing for MPSC Assistant Professor for Mechanical Engineers, I am here to guide you. I bring sample questions for you and how to solve and how to approach for that sample questions, as well as how to be approached in the final exam of on the 15th December. So I will guide you on the similar way. So let's see what kind of questions are there, and before going to solve any question, you have to let's see, the time period for the exam is 1 hour, and the number of questions you have to attempt around are 100 questions. So nearly you will get 36 seconds to solve one question. So maybe a sample of questions or level of question will be a very easy or medium level. You can expect medium level or easy level questions, one liner questions. So we will solve similar kind of questions in this video. So here are the questions based on some sample questions on the applied mechanics and design. So first question, what is the formula for centripetal acceleration? So these are the four options, and let's see, the if you know direct formula for centripetal acceleration is nothing but acceleration is equal to v square by r. So correct option is A. And if you don't know the formula, then also you can solve this question by looking to the options. And if you do the unit conversion, velocity meter per second, and square of the velocity is meter square per second square divided by the meter, so you will get acceleration unit meter per second square. If you see the other options, though, none of the options are having unit for acceleration is meter per second square. Only one option having unit is matches for acceleration is meter per second square is v square by r. Or you can have if you put v is equal to r omega, you will get r square omega square by r. So you will get r omega square is nothing but acceleration. So there are two formulas for centripetal acceleration, either r omega square or the second one is v square by r. The next question is, which of the following is the fundamental unit in the SI system? It's a very basic question. So fundamental unit in the SI system. So force, length, work, energy. So length is the answer for this question. The mass one is the fundamental unit, then the length, and third one is the time. So accordingly, the unit conversion system is based. So MLT, like this. So force is not the answer, work, energy, only the length. Okay, the next, which material typically exhibit the highest Young modulus? So highest Young modulus, you can see the options are steel, aluminum, rubber, and wood. So highest Young modulus exhibit with respect to a steel, then you have aluminum, then wood, and then rubber. So rubber having very elastic property in nature, but its Young modulus is very less. Steel having very high Young modulus. You can comment what is the Young modulus of steel, what is Young modulus of aluminum, rubber, and wood. In between 200 gigapascal to 250 gigapascal in the range. And similarly, aluminum is very lowest in the weight. So this kind of material is used in aerospace industry, and you can see the steel is highest, then aluminum, and then the wood, and then the rubber. Wood is an anisotropic material. So again, rubber is very having very less Young modulus. Okay, so moving forward for the next question, you can comment on the Young modulus for various materials mentioned there. What are the units of stress? It is a very basic unit of stress is it is nothing but pascals or Newton meter square. The Newton is unit of force, meter length, and kilogram mass, unit of mass, kg. So very basic question. What principle behind the working of hydraulic brakes? Yes. Newton's first law, no. Archimedes principle, no. Bernoulli's principle, no. Only Pascal law. Yes, Pascal law is based on the principle behind the working of hydraulic brakes. Intensity of pressure in the all direction is same. If I saying that intensity of pressure in x direction is equal to intensity of pressure in y direction is equal to intensity of pressure in z direction. So this basic principle is used in the hydraulic brakes. So actually they are doing that like F1 force into F1 A1 is equal to F2 A2. So this principle is used. Pressure is equal to force by area. So accordingly we are going to do like the conversion of what will be the force at the one end and what will be the force at the other end. And based on this concept you can see hydraulic brakes are works. So Pascal law is there. Then what is the unit of force? Already I discussed with the unit of force is Newton, Pascal is the unit of pressure, Newton meter is the unit of torque, and joule is the unit of energy. So these are the some basic questions. So the level of the question is very easy, so you can expect this kind of questions and prepare accordingly. So thank you very much.